welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. In today's video, I've got yet another Pusheen box and we're gonna open it together. So if you guys are interested, keep on watching. This box is so darn cute, literally. So this one's pink. Of course, I'm a pink girly. And it's just so cute. So this is my second time getting a Pusheen box, and the last one literally was adorable. I'll make sure I link that video for you guys. And as always, down in the description box, there will be a link for you guys to get your own Pusheen box. So let's go ahead and open her up. Okay, so here we've got the summer box, and it looks like the theme for this box is fruits. So last month's box was bread. And the first thing that jumped out to me is this bag. It looks like a fanny pack. I'm pretty sure that's exactly what it is. Or it could be like a shoulder or a crossbody bag. But it's like this soft pastel orangey peach kind of color. And it's so cute. Pusheen here looking like some different fruits. I see kiwi, peach, and I guess this is an orange. It says premium produce. What a really nice bag. So it's got a little mesh pocket in here, like an inner pocket. You could definitely fit like a wallet, some beauty products, or like just like some general products to carry with you, your keys, maybe some fruit snacks. We're talking about fruit. Yeah, this is really nice. And then it's got this snap here. Definitely a fanny bag, but if you really wanted to, just toss it over your shoulder. This is just super cute, and I love a fanny pack, especially if you go to the amusement park. I love amusement parks, so this will get some use out of me. I live, laugh, love a fanny pack, and this one is so this is so freaking cute. Okay, next we got another Pusheen plush. This one Pusheen is, I'm not sure what fruit we're giving here. It's a peach plush per the tag. I was getting ready to make something up. But yeah, this is literally freaking adorable. The Pusheen boxes are so cute. Like, all the merchandise is just adorable. The detail, the concept, the theme, the execution, 10s. I'm literally so freaking obsessed. This is so cute. And I have another plush from the last box. I'm putting them side by side. Like, it's just too cute. Oh, so here, this is probably the first thing I should have opened and showed you guys. This is the info card that shows you all the products that come in the box. So you can see them here. So we've already opened. Right here's the fanny pack and the plush. So keep your hands free and your style fresh with this adorable fanny pack. A cheeky peach plush to add to your collection. The next thing we're gonna open is this fan. This is really fun. We've got a Pusheen mini folding handheld fan. And it says, beat the heat with this strawberry fan that's oh so sweet and doubles as a phone stand. Stop. Versatile. And it rhymed. I'm moved, personally. Okay, so this is it. Stop. Are we kidding? This is so cute. And I guess, how does it double as a phone stand? I'm not sure what they mean by it doubles as a phone stand. I don't know. There's a piece back here. I'm afraid to like really pull it. I kind of can't get my fingers back there, but I feel like the more I try to grab it, the more I feel like I'm not supposed to be trying to grab it. So I'm not sure what they mean by doubles as a phone stand. I haven't quite seen that happen yet. Okay, figured it out. Scared too, but I did it. So it is that piece. Like, I don't know if there's a button or what, but essentially it's just the fan part, and it comes into a little stand, so you can prop your phone up here against the fan, and now it's a phone stand. Versatile, a little strange, but this is so freaking cute, and it's compact. Literally, this would fit right in here. No problem, like, done. And so it comes with a USB-C cable and a lanyard. So of course, if you wanted to hang it around your neck, It has one. I do kind of wish that the lanyard was Pusheen themed, but I'll take it. Next, we've got this peach Pusheen bucket hat. It says, top off your look with this peachy hat. I don't really wear hats. I pop them on every once in a while. I'm not really a hat girly, but you know, I'll find use for it. But it is super cute with the peach. So just like in the last box, we got another vinyl figure. This one says it's a strawberry vinyl figure that's as sweet as can be. So let's go ahead and open this one up also, because I will put this right next to my other figure from last month. The loaf. This last month, like I said, was bread. It was the loaf. Oh, literally adorable. Little Pusheen. There's a strawberry. Okay, so they say in this box is a collapsible water bottle. It says it's a versatile bottle, a versatile collapsible bottle that can stay compact when not in use. Now I pretty much know what these look like. I'm just curious to see what the design is because I have a couple of these. Okay, so it's locked up in here. How do I okay. Oh, that's cute. The Pusheen collapsible fruit versatile water bottle. I'm just using all the words they used. But yeah, this is cute. I'm not sure how I feel about the collapsible part because a lot of the ones I'm used to, like, I don't know if this is better or worse. The ones I'm used to, it's like an accordion kind of, and they like, you know, but it's cute. And go ahead and clasp it on the bag and you're ready to go. I mean, you got the fan, you got the water bottle, you got the hat. You can go to the amusement park right now. Last thing we got is the t-shirt. You can wear this to the amusement park. And this shirt is so freaking cute. Look at this. What a haul. I literally love these Pusheen boxes because you get so much good, useful, and practical stuff, and it's all so cute. Like, I collect figures, so I got a figure. Fanny pack, come on. Obviously, a collapsible water bottle. That's great. Got a t-shirt. Can always use a t-shirt. A hat, okay. Summer makes sense. Plushie. I collect plushies, duh. Portable fan. Endless uses for that. Like, hello, you can go to a concert tomorrow and use this. I'm so happy. This is the second box I've had, and neither has been a disappointment. Just full of the cutest stuff ever. Thank you so much to Pusheen Box and Culture Fly for sending me a box to check out. If you guys are interested in getting your own, make sure you check out the description box for a link to do so.